What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful X5 M Sport that we have here with us today. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how this physical car actually looks. As you can see, the color of this car is white. As we all know, the bigger the car, the brighter the car, the bigger the car looks, so it does look very sporty indeed. Now let's take a look around, show you guys the beautiful lights they designed in such a way that looks very aggressive. The wheels are designed in that way, so fantastic indeed. Now let's start a look at the front. Okay, let's start off with a look at the front. So LED lights on the left side right here, as you can see, they are angled up in that way. We will turn on the light shortly to show you, but in the meantime, check out the aggressive looking front bumper with some opening for airflow to flow through the side of the bumper. Love these black lines that they have right here. Love the design that's on the bumper as well, the white piece here. And also on top of that, you got tons of openings down here for cooling purposes. You got your sensor located right there. Very nice indeed. Check that out. Very aggressive looking front bumper. A lot of black finishes here, mixed with a little bit of white in the center. You got your amazing grille here. I believe these opens up also as well for cooling purposes in the inside. But yeah, check out this matte chrome. It's kind of like a satin chrome finish, right? Looks very nice indeed. Now, the BMW badging, love the color. On top of that, the front hood that has these two lines coming down from the side here, all the way here as well. So it does look very sporty indeed, even for a white car. Now, excuse the light that's blinking because of the camera. It's catching that amount of light, but nevertheless. Okay, so now we have the tires here. The wheels are looking fantastic indeed. Tire size is 275/40R, 21-inch wheels on this side. You got your blue calipers right there. You got some M badging hidden, as you can see. M badging at the wheels, BMW badging on the center caps. Solid disc brake on the inside. I love this two-tone finish for the wheel. Looks beautiful. Now, let's get a better view on this side of the car. Check it out. Nicely looking, fantastic piece of art. So jump to the side of the car, you notice that there is this M badging at the side right here. You also get your black sort of like design finish for the side of the front wheel arch. Very sleek like line rolling from the front all the way to the rear. Now, side mirrors are white here, black underneath in this matte finish. Turn indicators are located right there. You got the opening of your doors like a handle like this. You can choose to lock and unlock from here. Let's open up the main driver door. Lock and unlock on this side. Handles are here. You got some grey stitching like this over here on the black. Another grey stitching over here. Handle to put your hand in to close the door. Window to wind up and wind down. Ambient lighting should be located right here, where the chrome lining for the satin chrome finish is at. Speakers are here. Harman Kardon right there. Bottle storage, compartment storage at the side of the door. You got your M badging right here. Seat adjustments for the car is also right here. Now, I love the design of the seats. They look absolutely stunning. I love how this quilted kind of like XX shape is going on for this side. Very soft and nice leather to be sitting in. Now let's jump all the way in, show you guys how I'm actually fitting after I have adjusted the front seats to make it look comfortable for me before I hop at the back. But now we got the X5 badging over here with some arrows on the left and the right. I'm not so sure what this is for, but I believe this is for some sort of like turn indicators or some warning sign, I guess. But it looks quite nice. I like how it just waves from left to right. Or is it some touchpad? I got to figure that out to find out more. Wood stuff right here, grey stuff finish right here. You got this leather on the dashboard. Speakers, amazing screen for the driver's side. Door looks fantastic on that side. Glove compartment storage down here. Very nice indeed. So the center part, we're going to try and close that right there. And cool. So to open that up also, cool. So that's how you like got to press it down and press it off. Very nice indeed. So you got your wireless charging, I believe, should be right here. Compartment storage right there. Cup holders right here. USB, 12 volt. Amazing. You got the other controls right here, drive, reverse, park, also located right here, engine start stop button, handbrakes right there. You got your height raising for the car, for the air suspension, some controls for the main screen for you to control from here. Got your back button, option button, navigation, home, media, telephone, sport, comfort, and also eco for your driving. Auto hold in case you don't want to press the brakes. But yeah, compartment storage, more. Down here, you got your Type-C charging as well. Fantastic. Amazing. Now, let's hop to the rear. Let me show you guys how the rear looks like. But before we get right into the rear, let's take a look at the rear wheels that we have on this side. So, Continental tires are there. The tire size is 315/35 R21. So again, the wheels are looking good. Got your solid disc over there, blue calipers right there. You also get your doors now on this side where you have a shade for you to lower down the shade right here. Opening up of the door handles, you got your window adjustments right there. You have got your satin chrome finished right here with some ambient lightings. You got your speakers, Harman Kardon speakers right there and there. Handle to hold to open up the doors. To hold, close the doors I mean. And also compartment storage down here, bottle to go right there. You got your BMW M badging right here at the side doors. Again, the rear of this car looks absolutely spacious. That fabric can actually open up to the full, but it's not. In the meantime, let's just leave it at that. But let's jump on in to show you guys how comfortable this car actually looks. Now, you got some Type-C charging place right there. I believe this is a slot for you to, I guess, mount your screen and whatnot. Love the finishing texture that's on this, very nice. Compartment storage down here to keep some stuff. Your air vents right there. Doors are right there. And this is me sitting comfortably in the rear passenger seat. Let's move to this side. Comfortably sitting over here as well. Glass roof is making the car look super spacious indeed. Now let's take a look at the center right here. Air vent adjustments for you to turn on the air vent if you wish to. You got your other digital adjustments down here. Compartment storage right there. Type-C charging at the bottom right there to get a 12-volt socket. Now let's jump to the center. We will notice it's got plenty of storage, legroom space I mean. Now this is me sitting right in the center, so it does look very much spacious indeed. You got your black seat belts right there. You got another seat belt right here as well, so in black, so it looks really cool. Love all this XX shape, kind of like a quilted design seat for the inside. ISOFIX is also available. Headrest right there. Got light adjustments at the top. Fantastic. So let's move to the rear and let's open up the door. Let's get down. Now before we go to the driver's seat, let's take a look at the rear part of the car. What do we see now? We have this BMW badging right there, number plate locator right here, wiper is there. You got your sort of like your brake lights on the top of the spoiler here. You got this beautiful rear end of a black finish of a light, mixture with some red stuff here and there. Love how it blends in very well, very sporty indeed. You got your X5 badging on the left side right here. You also get your camera for the rear, located right there. xDrive40i, very nice indeed. Got some chrome-like openings for the exhaust on the right side. You got some chrome-like opening exhaust for the left side, and you got the center white piece that looks absolutely aggressive with these grey touches here all over the place. Stunning. Now, open up the boot to show you guys. This also can come down if you wish to. Love the amount of space that this car gives you. The shade, you can actually choose to take it off, I believe. There is a way to do so, but maybe I'll figure that out when the time comes. Okay, so basically it's like a clip where you have to push it back and then it just rolls all the way back. Now check out the storage space. Plenty of storage space. I love all these metal touches that we have on the rear boot of the car. Looks very nice. Let's open that up, check out what's at the back here. You got some more storage space down there. Got your hook right here. First aid kit down there. Amazing storage for a car like this, guys. Now let's close that. Net to keep some stuff. Net to keep some stuff. We'll fold on the rear seat shortly. But take a look at the space. Fantastic design, guys. Yes, place for you to fill your fuel Let's close that. Let's fold the seats right down. Show you guys the amount of space that you can store in. Plenty of space. Now let's fold this down as well. Take a look. Absolutely huge amount of space. Now, the railing that you have right there can be removed as well, because that's going to obstruct a lot of items that you wish to actually put in, right? Because you don't want anything blocking your view. But take a look at the amount of space that this car has. Just got to remove this bar. You have a hook right here. It's a slide for you to take it off. So it's very nice indeed. Now, let's head down to the driver's side of the door, where we have the main door, the main driver's seat, I mean, sorry. So let's go right here. Handles to open up the doors. Your lock unlock is over here. Memory seats. Window, boot closing is right here. You got your window adjustments here. Child lock for the windows. And also you have your other stuff happening, which is your side mirror adjustments, and for you to fold the side mirrors. Handle to hold, close the door. Compartment storage down here. Bottle to keep up here. Harman Kardon speakers here and here. Beautiful design. You got your chrome pedal light for the sporty kind of look, sport pedals. You got your M plate right here, which also lights up because, you know, this is the X5. Electronic seats adjustment. Let's move the seat comfortably to this side right here, and let's sit comfortably on this side. So, very nice indeed. So, yeah. This car is a new car, so you got the sticker still on, but yes, you got your other adjustments right here for your answering of your call, volume up, volume down, next, for you to toggle through other settings. You got your resume, cancel, set, your other driving modes that you can choose. For your cruise control on this side, you got your upshift and downshift, negative, positive here, and also you have your wiper adjustments on this side, and also you get your signal and your high beam assist on the left side. So fantastic layout of how everything looks. Very good indeed. So your lights are also here. I'm not sure if I can actually, yeah, there we go. If I press that, now the lights are on. So we'll go up right to the front to show you guys, but yeah, take a look at the air vents here to adjust. These should be your ambient lightings as well, integrated in the dashboard. Beautiful. You got them right here as well, these air vent adjustments. Very nice. Now, as I mentioned earlier, center, you got other adjustments right here, right? So similar. Very nice. Very nice design. So this is me sitting comfortably in the driver's seat after pulling this a bit forward. So this is me at the front. Does look good. Plenty of space at the back right there. Check it out. Amazing space at the back. So you got your other adjustments right here, SOS call button. You got your glass roof adjustments right there on top. Lights for you to turn on and turn off. Yeah, right now the car needs some sort of charging. So yeah, mirrors are right there. Head-up display right there. So very cool indeed. So now let's check out the lights that's on the car. Hopefully it is on to show it to you guys, but there we go. So I'm not sure if they will stay on for quite some time because the battery is kind of low, but yeah, take a look. That's your daytime running lights that you have right there. Beautiful two-cut design. Two of them lights are underneath the main headlights. Beautiful looking from the front. Amazing layout from the front, guys. So it does look very, very sporty indeed. Super sporty. Now let's jump to the rear to show you guys. BMW line at the side right here. I love that touch with the name. I love those, you know, how it's blacked out, then you get the lights turned on still, you know. So let's close the boot. Then at least you guys can see how beautiful the rear actually looks. Now let's turn on the lights again to show you how the rear lights actually look. But check it out. Can you see how it's like black and then it just shines in this red? So that's my favorite part about all these BMW cars, because of this rear end part. Looks very sporty, especially when it's in this matte black, glossy black kind of finish together with the lights. So it does look very sporty indeed, guys. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to Millennium Welt here at KL North. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.